Sa kapapasok lamang na balita, may bago ng kalihim ang Presidential Communications Office o PCO. Alamin natin ang detalye at kung sino yan sa report mula sa Malacanang ni Ms. Leth Narciso. Ms. Leth.
Itinalaga ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. si Dave Gomez bilang bagong sekretary ng Presidential Communications Office. Inanunsyo ito ni Palace Press Officer Claire Castro sa katatapos na briefing dito sa Malacanang. Narito si Yusek Castro.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has appointed Mr. Dave Gomez as Secretary of the Presidential Communications Office and Attorney Sharon Garin as Secretary of the Department of Energy. Secretary Gomez brings decades of experience in journalism, government and corporate communications, having served as a senior reporter, Director General of the Philippine Information Agency and Communications Director at PMFTC Incorporated.
Ang papalitan ni Gomez na si Secretary J. Ruiz bilang Board of Director ng MECO. Ito si Leth Narciso para sa DZRH, una sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipino.
Live mula sa Malacanang, maraming salamat Ms. Leth Narciso.